Welcome to Mr. English Official!
Practice real English with Adam and Lena.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I'm Adam.
And I'm Lena. We're really happy you're here today.
If you enjoy calm and easy English conversations, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.
Thank you for learning English with us.
Today we're talking about ordering food in English, simple and real.
Yes, how to order food politely and easily in daily life.
Let me ask you something. Do you ever feel nervous ordering food in English?
Many people feel that way.
I feel that way sometimes too.
That's okay. We'll practice together.
We're sitting in a small cafe now.
Yes, a quiet cafe in the morning.
It's around 10 o'clock.
The cafe is calm.
I like calm places.
Me too. Calm means relaxed.
I'm a little hungry.
Me too.
Hungry means you want food.
Exactly.
The menu looks nice.
Yes, it has simple food.
I see coffee, tea, and sandwiches.
I see salads too.
That sounds good. What do you want to eat?
I'm not sure yet.
That's okay. Take your time.
I feel a little tired today.
Tired means you need rest.
Yes, I didn't sleep well.
I see. Maybe a coffee will help.
That's a good idea.
What kind of coffee do you like?
I like black coffee.
Simple choice. What about you?
I like tea.
Tea sounds nice. I have a small problem.
What is it?
I don't know how to order politely.
That's a common problem.
I don't want to sound rude.
You can use simple, polite words.
Like what?
You can say, I'd like.
I'd like.
Yes, that's very polite.
I'd like a coffee.
Perfect.
Or I can say, can I have?
Yes, that's also polite.
Can I have a sandwich?
Very good.
What if I want to ask a question?
You can ask simple questions.
Like, what do you recommend?
Yes, that's a great question.
What do you recommend?
That sounds natural.
The server is coming.
Okay, let's practice.
I feel a little nervous again.
Relax. Relax means calm.
Okay, calm. Hello.
Hello.
Can I have a coffee, please?
Very polite.
Please makes it friendly.
Exactly.
I also want some food.
What food do you want?
I want a sandwich.
You can say, I'd like a sandwich.
I'd like a sandwich, please.
Perfect.
What if I don't understand the menu?
You can ask for help.
How?
You can say, can you help me?
Can you help me?
Yes, very simple.
Or I can ask, what is this?
Yes, you can point and ask.
What is this?
That's common in cafes.
Sometimes I worry about my English.
That's normal.
I think my English is too slow.
Slow is okay.
Slow means not fast.
Exactly.
I feel better now.
Good. Ordering food should feel easy.
I agree. What if I want to eat here?
You can say, for here, please.
For here, please.
Yes.
And if I want to take it away?
You can say, to go, please.
To go, please.
Perfect.
That's very useful.
Yes, very useful daily English.
I can use this many times.
Exactly.
How do I say thank you at the end?
You can say, thank you.
Thank you.
Or thanks.
Thanks.
Both are fine.
I like simple words.
Simple words are best.
I don't need big words.
No, simple English works.
So today we talked about ordering food in English.
Yes, simple and real cafe English.
We practiced polite phrases like I'd like and can I have.
And we learned words like hungry, tired, and relax.
This feels useful for daily life.
That's the goal.
I think our food is coming soon.
Yes, I see the cups.
I feel more confident now.
That's great.
I wonder what we will do next. Okay, Lena, our drinks are here.
Yes, I see them.
The coffee smells good.
And the tea looks hot.
Hot means very warm.
Yes, be careful.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I feel hungry now.
Me too.
The sandwich looks nice.
That sounds nice.
I have another small question.
Sure.
What if I want to change my order?
That's a good question.
Sometimes I change my mind.
That happens.
How can I say it politely?
You can say, "Sorry, can I change my order?"
Sorry, can I change my order?
Very polite.
Sorry helps.
Yes, sorry sounds kind.
What if I want something extra?
You can ask for it.
Like more milk?
Yes,
Can I have more milk, please?
perfect.
Please is important.
Yes, please makes it polite.
I use please often.
That's good.
The cafe is quiet today.
Yes, not many people.
I like quiet cafes.
Me too.
It helps me relax.
Relax means calm.
I feel calm now.
Good.
When I feel calm, I speak better.
That's true.
Lena, what if I don't like the food?
That's a little harder.
Yes, I feel shy.
You can still be polite.
How?
You can say, "Sorry, this is not what I ordered."
Sorry, this is not what I ordered.
Very clear and polite.
Or I can say, can I change this?
Yes, that works too.
Can I change this?
Perfect.
I hope I don't need that.
Me too.
The food looks good.
Yes, it does.
Let me take a bite.
Okay.
It tastes good.
That's nice.
Tastes good means yummy.
Yes, very tasty.
What do you think of your tea?
It's good, but a little hot.
Hot again.
Yes, very warm.
What if I want to ask for the bill?
You can ask politely.
How do I ask?
You can say, "Can I have the bill, please?"
Can I have the bill, please?
Very good.
Or, can I pay now?
Yes, that's also fine.
Can I pay now?
Simple and clear.
Sometimes I hear check.
Yes, check means bill.
Oh, really?
Yes, in some places.
Good to know. I feel more confident ordering food now.
I'm happy to hear that.
Before, I felt nervous.
And now?
Now I feel ready. I like practicing in a calm place.
Calm places are good for learning.
Busy places feel hard.
Busy means many people and noise.
Yes, busy places are loud. What if the cafe is busy?
You can still use the same words.
Really?
Yes, simple English always works.
That's good. Can I practice again with you?
Of course.
Hello?
Hello.
I'd like a tea, please.
Very good.
Can I have a sandwich too?
Perfect.
For here, please.
Nice.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That feels easy now.
Because you practiced.
Practice helps a lot.
Yes, practice is important.
I remember when I first ordered food.
How was it?
I was very quiet.
I see.
I didn't know what to say.
That's normal for beginners.
Now I know many phrases.
Yes, useful phrases.
Like I'd like
And can I have?
and please.
Exactly.
I also learned to listen.
Listening is important.
Sometimes the server speaks fast.
You can ask them to repeat.
How do I say that?
You can say, "Sorry, can you say that again?"
Sorry, can you say that again?
Perfect.
Or can you speak slowly?
Yes, very good.
Can you speak slowly?
Polite and clear.
I feel less scared now.
Good.
Ordering food should not be scary.
It should feel normal.
The cafe feels nice.
Yes, and warm.
Warm means comfortable.
Exactly.
So today we talked more about ordering food.
Yes, how to ask, change, and pay.
We practiced polite phrases again.
And how to ask for help.
This is very useful English.
I agree.
I think we will finish soon.
Yes, after we pay.
I wonder what we will talk about next.
Maybe another food place.
Or another daily situation. Hi again, Lena.
Hi, Adam. You look comfortable now.
Yes, I feel relaxed.
That's good.
It's still morning.
Yes, almost 11 o'clock.
The cafe is a little busier now.
I see more people coming in.
Busy means many people.
Yes, many people and more noise.
I feel okay even when it's busy.
That's great.
Before, busy places made me nervous.
And now?
Now I feel more confident. I finished my sandwich.
Me too.
It was good.
Yes, very tasty.
I have another question.
Sure, ask me.
What if I want dessert?
That's a nice question.
I like sweet food.
Me too.
How can I ask for dessert?
You can say, "Can I see the dessert menu?"
Can I see the dessert menu?
Very good.
Or I can say, do you have cake?
Yes, that's simple and clear.
Do you have cake?
Perfect.
I feel hungry again.
Oh, really?
Just a little.
That sounds nice.
Sometimes I want to ask about price.
That's important.
How do I ask the price?
You can say, "How much is this?"
How much is this?
Very common.
Or how much does it cost?
Yes, that works too.
How much does it cost?
Good question.
I see a cake on the counter.
Yes, it looks good.
It looks chocolate.
Chocolate cake is popular.
I like chocolate.
Me too.
I will ask for one slice.
Okay,
Excuse me,
good start.
can I have one slice of cake, please?
Very polite.
He said yes.
Nice.
He asked, for here or to go?
That's a common question.
I said, for here, please.
Perfect answer.
Sometimes I don't hear well in busy places.
That happens.
People speak fast.
Yes, especially when it's busy.
What can I do then?
You can ask them to repeat.
Again?
Yes.
Sorry, can you repeat that?
Very polite.
Or, can you speak slowly?
Yes, that's also good.
I like that sentence.
It's very useful.
The cake is coming now.
I see it.
It looks good.
Enjoy it.
It's sweet.
Sweet means sugary.
Yes, sugary and nice.
I'm glad you like it.
I feel happy eating here.
Food can make people happy.
And speaking English makes me happy now too.
That's wonderful.
Lena, what if I want water?
You can ask easily.
How?
You can say, "Can I have some water, please?"
Can I have some water, please?
Perfect.
Or just water, please?
Yes, but the full sentence is more polite.
I see.
Both are okay.
Sometimes I forget to say please.
That's okay.
But please is nice.
Yes, it sounds kind.
I notice people say excuse me a lot.
Yes, excuse me is very useful.
When do I use it?
To get attention politely.
Excuse me.
Exactly.
I feel more relaxed ordering food now.
Relax means calm.
Yes, calm and comfortable.
You're doing very well.
Before, I was afraid to speak.
And now you speak easily.
Practice helped me.
Practice always helps.
I want to remember these phrases.
You should try to use them often.
Maybe every time I eat out.
That's a great idea.
Let's practice again.
Okay.
Excuse me,
Yes.
can I have a coffee, please?
Very good.
And one slice of cake.
Nice order.
For here, please.
Perfect.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This feels natural now.
Because it is real-life English.
Real-life English is useful.
Exactly.
I also learned new words today.
Like what?
Busy, sweet, dessert,
Good words.
and polite phrases.
Very important.
So today we talked more about ordering food.
Yes, dessert, price, and busy cafes.
We practiced polite questions.
And asking people to repeat.
This helps a lot.
I agree.
I think it's almost time to leave.
Yes, after we pay.
I wonder how to pay politely.
That's a good topic.
Maybe we can talk about that next.
Yes, let's do that.
Hi, Lena. Hi, Adam. Are you ready to pay now? Yes, I think so. Okay, let's talk about paying for food in English. I always feel a little unsure at this moment. Many people do. I don't want to sound rude. You can be polite with simple words. Simple words are best. Yes, always. How do I ask to pay? You can say, "Can I have the bill, please?" Can I have the bill, please? Very good. Or I can say, "Can I pay now?" Yes, that also works. Sometimes I hear people say check. Yes, check means bill. Oh, really? Yes, in many cafes. Good to know. I feel more confident now. That's great. Before I waited and felt nervous. Now you can ask. Excuse me, good start. Can I have the bill, please? Perfect and polite. The server brought the bill, okay? I want to look at it carefully. That's a good idea. I see coffee, sandwich, and cake. Yes, that's your order. The price looks fine. Good. I have a small problem. What is it? I don't understand one word on the bill. That happens. I feel a little confused. Confused means not sure. What can I do? You can ask politely, how? You can say, sorry, what is this? Sorry, what is this? Very clear. Or, can you explain this? Yes, that's also good. Can you explain this? Polite and simple. The server explained it. Good. Now I understand. That's great. I want to pay by card. Then you can say, can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? Perfect. What if I want to pay cash? You can say, I'll pay cash. I'll pay cash. Simple and clear. I like paying by card. Me too. It feels easy. Yes, very simple. Sometimes the cafe asks, is everything okay? Yes, that's common. What should I say? You can say, yes, everything is good. Yes, everything is good. Or, everything is fine. Everything is fine. That sounds easy. It is. If I like the food, can I say that? Yes, that's nice. How? You can say, the food was very good. The food was very good. That sounds kind. Or, I enjoyed the food. Yes, that's polite too. I enjoyed the food. Perfect. I feel happy when I can say these things. That's good. It makes the moment friendly. Exactly. Do I need to leave a tip? That depends on the place. I see. You can ask if you're not sure. How can I ask? You can say, is service included? Is service included? Very good. Included means already there. Yes, part of the price. Thank you for explaining. You're welcome. I feel less nervous now. Relax. Relax means calm. Calm. I like that word. Calm helps you speak better. The cafe is still busy. Yes, but you're okay. Busy means many people. Exactly. I'm ready to pay now. Go ahead. Here you go. Nice and polite. The server said thank you. You can say thank you too. Thank you. Simple and kind. After paying, what do I say? You can say, have a nice day. Have a nice day. Or, thank you, goodbye. Both are fine. I like ending politely. It feels good. People smile more. Yes, they do. I feel proud of myself. You should. Ordering and paying in English feels easier now. You practiced well. I remember before I stayed quiet, and now you speak. Yes, I speak more. That's progress. I learned many useful phrases today. Me too. Like, can I have the bill? And can I pay by card? And everything is fine. Very useful phrases. So today we talked about paying for food. Yes, asking for the bill and paying politely. We learned how to ask questions and how to solve small problems. This is real-life English. Exactly. I feel ready for the next step. What is the next step? Leaving the cafe politely. That's a good topic. I wonder how to say goodbye in different ways. We can talk about that next.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Mr. English Official
And keep learning with us. Bye-bye.